Hey, what's up, guys? Just me. I'm just doing a quick update on my car if anybody's interested. It is Monday, August 10th of 2020. It is 5:37 p.m. on here on the East Coast of the United States of America in Connecticut, and it is 92 degrees out. It's hot as hell outside right now, but I'm indoors, staying cool like always. I finally got my internet back, which is great because hotspotting my cell phone wasn't cutting it at all anymore. And using that hotspot for internet on my laptop was just a pain in the balls. It really sucked. But at any rate, my car is getting fixed. As you can tell in the picture below, this is how it looked in the shop. This is 3 weeks ago. I took these images. This is the first one, and this is the second one. I ripped everything apart. They had to order parts from Japan. Luckily enough, those parts came last Thursday or Friday, I believe. So they'll start working on that this week, and hopefully this end of this week I'll get my car back, or sometime next week. We had the hurricane come through Connecticut and it destroyed everything. That's why I was out of internet and stuff like that. Some people in my complex lost power. Some lost everything. Trees were down, wires were down. It was ridiculous, and the shop just got their power back Friday because I texted the guy, Tony, and him and I were talking, and he told me the good news that the parts are in. The parts are in from Japan, so they'll do that. The adjuster actually ordered a brand new door for me because I'm going to need one, of course, and we'll go from there. I don't know if anybody else has ever had a problem with the insurance adjuster, but this guy doesn't seem like he wants to do any work. I have to call him to ask him like what's going on, the update, or I'll have to call Tony at the shop in Danbury, Connecticut, to ask him what's going on. It's like I understand the guy's home, the insurance adjuster is home. I mean, he probably doesn't want to get bothered, and he's probably just fluffing off, getting paid. I mean, he was telling me that his company won't even let him go out to look at cars that have been into accidents because of the coronavirus. So he actually had to look at the pictures that Tony sent him from the body shop to the adjuster's email, and he actually worked off from those images to get a price and stuff like that because his company Geico would not let him go out and survey the car or look at it or look it over. So yeah, so I'm not really too happy with the guy anyway. He seems like a fuck, but he doesn't seem like he wants to work. He doesn't like to give me information. I have to do it myself, which I don't know if I don't know. I don't know if the insurance adjuster is supposed to tell me like what's going on, keep me up to date, or it's on me to find out what's actually going on with my own car. But other than that, I'm glad to get this over with. I got into the accident June 26th of 2020, which was a Friday. And today I'm doing this small little update, August 10th of 2020. I got these pictures 3 weeks ago. I kind of didn't want to do anything. I just let them be, but there's no new content on the channel anyway, besides hacking like a modified Vita and stuff like that. So I decided to do some more car stuff. And this is where I'm at right now. So it's been quite a while. I want my car back. I'm actually looking at a short throw shifter from Works because I want one. And I do want a downpipe. I want to get an ETS, either open dump or recirculating one. I'm really unsure. I just don't want something to be like really loud where my friend and we go for a drive or whatever, just messing around, and we can't hear each other speak. So I'm just kind of concerned about the open dump, about the cabin noise and stuff like that. But I don't know. I'm really up in the air. There's a price difference, of course, for the open dump and the recirculated ETS downpipe. I don't know. I'm really unsure. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you, and be good.